In this video, we're going to show you how you can take an existing schedule and modify it, or even delete a schedule that you're no longer using. So to start that process, again, from the site homepage, we'll access these by clicking the scheduling icon. We'll access the interface page for scheduling. And from here, we're going to choose the schedule that we want to modify. So we'll use that HVAC schedule that we've been working on. And we can see here, there's our daily schedule. So let's say that the modification we need to make is to extend these hours on Friday now till 7 p.m. So now what you'll see here is that we have now applied this to 13 different controls on this schedule. So any change that I make now is going to apply automatically to all 13 of these controllers. So it's a very convenient way by using the same schedule across multiple controllers to make one change and change everything simultaneously. You can also see here's our holidays here that we've got. Our bank holidays, those will all be copied over as well. So that's the only change we want to make. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to submit that schedule. And now simultaneously, all these schedules have been modified on all 13 of those controllers. Now let's say that we want to delete any unused schedule. So in order for this button to appear, delete unused schedules, you've got to remove the ones you don't want off of any controller that you've got. You've got to replace it with something else. Then this button will show up and show you all the unused schedules. So in this case, I'll click that button and you can see we've got multiple schedules now that we've eliminated because we've globally put it on those different controllers. So all I've got to do is click remove, and yes, I'm going to click OK on that, and that's going to remove those schedules. Now I'll go back to my scheduler. I'm going to refresh this page, and then you'll be able to see that all those existing schedules have been cleared up, and I've just got now primarily the main HVAC schedule that I'm using on 13 different controls. So that's how you modify or delete a schedule. And any questions, please give our tech support team a call. Otherwise, we'll see you on the next video.